Anyone who is not shocked by quantum theory has not understood it. Niels Bohr, one of the founding father of quantum mechanics and Nobel laureate in physics. For 100 years, it has puzzled us, inspired us, challenged everything we thought we knew. Quantum mechanics, the theory that cracked open the universe and left 1,000 questions unanswered. 2025 marks 100 years since quantum mechanics began, when Heisenberg's bold ideas cracked open the secrets of the universe. The Bhaktivedanta Institute invites you to a one-of-a-kind summer school, Foundations of Quantum Physics. The renowned speakers of the school they're not just teaching physics, they're reshaping our perception of reality. Because this isn't just about equations. It's about the human mind, consciousness, and our place in the cosmos. In a world chasing answers, perhaps it's time we pause to ask better questions. Join 150 curious minds from around the world as we rethink the foundations of quantum physics. Quantum Foundations 2025. Be there. Question deeper, think wider.